team has 3 rolls of toilet paper. How much time are we giving them?
No, whoever's done first.
Yeah, whoever's done first. So, everybody that's on his team, get over there.
Yeah, but think about this one. If you use all 3 rolls at once, then we don't have room for... No, you each get 1 roll of toilet paper.
Alright, 1 roll each.
That way we can have multiple runs at this.
So you just have to get your whole...
Dude, put your hands down, tie your side, make yourself like a... No, down by your side. Mummy, think mummy. There you go.
You have to put the timer.
Okay.
See, Megan's more direct one. Okay, so we have to start.
What did you do?
No, tight. We'll get the dental floss out later.
You broke the toilet paper. Alright
guys.
I was just told to think mommy.
Think mummy. Put your hands down. Let your team work, dude.
Who's hands down? Come down.
Ready? Ready?